if you want to turn $100 to $1,000 or $10,000 with crypto token sales, you can make this possible, and there's a risk attached to this kind of process. And make sure you know what you're about to do. Take this video as educational purpose. This DAO Maker is one of the best platforms that is launching a new token in crypto. And right here, they have contributed over 51 million of fundraising, and there are a lot of people that participate in this token sales. And right here, they have changed this mode of raising money in this project, and they have allowed people with small amount of money to also get allocation in this token sales and make money also. So you have to hold at least $250 in this token sales for you to be able to get allocation in this public DAO. So right here, this private DAO, you have to hold a significant amount of money for you to be able to get allocation in this kind of project launching on this platform. And this is the token that I'm going to be talking about. This coming is going to launch soon. Over here, you see coming soon. And you have to press get notified if you want to participate in this token sales. And this is a Teams token, and this project is about borrowing and lending. This trustless application built on Arbitrum network. This is the metric of this token. This total supply of this token is 800 million, and project valuation is 20 million. Ad cap is 20 million, and initial market cap is 2,310,000, and this is built on Arbitrum. So you'll be getting this on Arbitrum chain, and right here, for you to participate in this public round, you'll be having more than $500 worth of token in your account. So if you want to get this token, you can get this on Binance and send it to your Arbitrum account and just have a small amount of Ethereum for transaction fee. And after you do all this, just register on this platform, create your account and register. After you register on this platform, just come to over here and press get notified. And after you register, you have to pass this verification process, your KYC. After doing all this, just sit back and press get notified. Once this token says it's about to start, you will receive an email from this project that this token says about to start. If you want to get guarantee allocation in this token says, just have a significant amount of money. Just have to check this rule and read more information about this. And over here, this is a lot of return on investment this project have launched. This is 25% X, 25x return on investment. This is 62 return on investment. This 90. This 4x. This 200x. If you are investing $100 in this project, just times it by 200, and you'll be getting a lot of around 20,000 or 10,000 whereabouts. You'll be making a significant amount of money, and know there's risk attached to this kind of mode of investing or trading. I can call it investing or trading. And make sure you know what you are doing before you take any step in this video. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Remember, you have to pass this KYC, and after passing this KYC, you just have to register once this token says about to start, and log in and collect your wallet. After collecting your wallet, this public sale round is about lottery, and you can increase your chance of getting this token by holding more of this token, and you just have to wait, relax. Maybe you get allocation in this kind of token sales or not. And there is a lot of more projects that will be launched on this platform video. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know about any other video or any projects you want me to talk about. Then I'm going to see you on the next video.